Hello people, you'll be wondering what kind of swallow is this. It's not amala, but it's black rice recipe. So this is my black rice. I will have it soaked and I like to rest in the next day. So here is resting. So this is it, the next day properly washed. I will add it to my blender. I will add in water and I will blend. For those of you that want to lose weight, this is a go, guys. Black rice. It is easy when you put it on your calorie deficit. The calories are not too much. So all this my plate we are seeing here was 480 calories. Compared to pounded yam, it will be 1000 calories. So that is it, guys. I will blend it until properly blended. And once it is properly blended, I will add in to my pot. All my returnees, thank you for always returning my old and my new. If you are looking for weight loss recipe, guys, go through internet. There are lots of it. Potato swallow is also good. This one, I tried it and it's so good. So I will be eating it more often now that I'm in my weight loss journey. So this is it, guys. I will just cook and cook and cook until it is properly combined. So one thing I did is that I added starch flour. So I don't know, maybe next time I'll try it without starch flour and see the outcome. So once it is doing like this, coming together, I will just keep on stirring. So that is it until it is come together the way it ought to. So that is it, guys. All my returnees, thank you, my old, my new. Keep coming, keep subscribing. God bless you all. Thank you for the likes and the comments, the share. I really do appreciate. If you are new, follow us, turn on your post notification so that when we upload, you'll be notified. So I added in some starch, which is some potato flour. I just added it and I will mix continuously. So feel free to check my channel out for other videos. You might find a full earth recipe, cooking recipe, family lifestyle, family vlogging, exercise, all and all, cooking, baking. I have them all in here. Thank you, guys. Keep coming, keep returning. I really appreciate. God bless you all. So once I have done it properly, I'll add in just a slime of water and I'll cover it and I like to cook. Follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Lady B Varieties is the name. Pinterest is JC Eve. So once you follow me, you'll see all my videos. So I added in a slime of water and I cover it and I like to cook on a low heat. So yeah, I came to turn. So I'll put it to my bowl, put it inside the microwave and microwave it for 1 minute. So here is it. I will stir again, mix properly, and I will transfer it to my cellophane, which is the organic part of them all that does the finished work. So that is it, me transferring it, and I'll pair this my black rice swallow with ogbono soup. So you can pair with any soup of your choice. All these calories you are seeing here was 480 calories with the soup, with the meat. It's so nice, guys. Try it and thank me. Bye. Enjoy. See you, man.